Hi, welcome to a chef called Rhonda. I'm Rhonda and this is my kitchen. And today I'm going to show you how to make a super simple appetizer. Spring is in the air, and what better way to make use of the asparagus and the pomegranate. Grab your trusty wooden spoon. Let's all meet back in the kitchen. While I glove up, I want to run down the ingredients. We only have 5 ingredients. And prosciutto, 1/4 pound. Can you see that? I also have 1 cup of pomegranate arils, or the seeds of the pomegranate. Can you see that? 1.5 pounds of fresh asparagus. You can identify a fresh asparagus. Has a hue of purple right at the tip. Can you see that? Okay, ready, set, go. Let's go into the kitchen. I have 2.5 cups of water that I will salt with about a tablespoon of sea salt and bring up to a boil. I have my pilot on a high heat. Okay, so let's talk about the asparagus. Asparagus have a natural breaking point. So I will show you how to bend and snap, which is the first rule on how to cook asparagus. Okay, so I take 1 spear, as you can see here, and I just ever so slightly bend, and it will break at its natural breaking point, as you can see. A fresh asparagus will render a nice snap. So yet again, the first rule on how to cook asparagus is bend and snap until its natural breaking point. Now, I will continue to go ahead and break the remains of our asparagus like so, and you can see I am keeping the stalks to one side, which I will utilize for a nice soup base later on. Okay, so here we are, continuing to go forward. I am now going to place the asparagus spears stem down into our salted water, and I will cover them for about 2 minutes and remove from our pilot. Okay, as soon as they turn a vibrant green, our asparagus are removed from the water and transferred to an ice bath, which I already prepared in advance. Now I will let them sit in the cold water to stop the cooking process. I will then drain onto a paper towel and segment them into 6 spears per bundle, like so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 asparagus spears. Now, I'll take 1 piece of the prosciutto and I will wrap. And yes, prosciutto is forgiving, so feel free to wrap that prosciutto nice and tight like so, and there we are. That's it, nice and simple and elegant. I will go forward and wrap each bundle of asparagus until I am finito. Okay, the last step in the process is to decorate our appetizer plate with the pomegranate seeds or arils. I'll lay them right across the top, and I'll leave 1/2 cup of the pomegranate seeds on the appetizer plate. I hope you enjoyed today's cooking show, asparagus, prosciutto, and pomegranate arils. Many thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to A Chef Called Rhonda, please would you consider subscribing to A Chef Called Rhonda. It's always healthy, always delicious, and always fun. Until we meet again, from my kitchen to yours, arrivederci. Ciao!